Running is a sport with millions of passionate, knowledgeable enthusiasts. One major question elicits many different opinions among runners: which is better, running on a treadmill or running outside? Treadmill Pros. One of the biggest advantages of using a treadmill is its accessibility. Since most treadmills are indoors, you can use it day or night and in any climate. This can make running more accessible for those who exercise at or live in places with ever-changing weather. Most advocates of treadmill running enjoy the various functions a treadmill can offer, such as precise control of their pace, incline, and intervals. This is also helpful for those returning from an injury, as they can progress slowly on a treadmill in a more controlled environment. Treadmill Cons. Unlike outdoor running, during which you can be surrounded by forests or beautiful greenery, indoor treadmill running involves staying in a fixed place where the treadmill is located. Some say this can become boring over time. However, many modern treadmills provide screens to simulate an outdoor run, which may make the experience more enjoyable. Nonetheless, many argue this will never live up to running outdoors. Additionally, treadmill running requires fewer muscle groups, such as the glutes and hamstrings, compared with outdoor running. That's because when you run on a treadmill, you tend to run in a consistent linear motion with the treadmill belt propelling you forward. Treadmill running is convenient, accessible, and lower impact than outdoor running. However, it tends to be more expensive and requires fewer muscle groups, and some people find that the unchanging environment can become boring. Outdoor running pros. Most runners find outdoor running far more enjoyable than treadmill running due to the changing scenery, fresh air, challenge of uneven ground, and unlimited options for running routes. The increased variety can increase a person's motivation to continue exercising. Furthermore, research shows running outdoors can build stronger bones since you're running on harder surfaces. This allows for greater gravitational force and stress on the bones, which is important for bone metabolism. Finally, outdoor running is completely free, if you exclude the cost of running shoes and workout gear. This makes running more accessible to people of all incomes. Outdoor running cons. It's best to run outdoors in dry, moderately warm temperatures. Meanwhile, it's less ideal and riskier in the rain, snow, and extremely cold or hot temperatures. Though with proper clothing, training, and preparation, you can run outdoors in most weather conditions. Additionally, running in the extreme cold or heat can increase your risk of dehydration. This can be life-threatening if you're not wearing the proper clothing and rehydrating. Finally, running at night increases the risk of injury and can be dangerous. If you choose to run at night, be sure to wear reflective clothing and a headlamp to help you see. Tell a friend your route and when you expect to arrive home. Better yet, find a running buddy. Which is better for weight loss? Both treadmill and outdoor running can help you lose weight at both high and lower intensities. Most research points to consistency and enjoyment as the key factors to long-term success. Important considerations. Whether you enjoy treadmill or outdoor running, it's important to run safely. Before trying a new exercise routine, speak with your healthcare provider, especially if you have a chronic condition, such as heart disease. Starting exercise routines too aggressively can lead to injury or more serious but rare outcomes, such as a heart attack. Extreme distance running and not eating enough calories are the top causes of weakened bones and injury. Always speak with your healthcare provider before trying running for the first time or introducing a new training routine. Running is very good for your health and well-being. You can reap excellent benefits from running on a treadmill or outdoors. The choice should come down to your personal needs and preferences. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, make health your greatest wealth.